How to add a circle effect on images with your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you that step by step. Now this is actually very simple, and I will show you multiple different images that I'm just going to turn into a circle. So first of all, you would want to obviously have a proper image. If you have some sort of strip here or section or columns with an image, I don't think that's actually going to work. So you cannot really go ahead and crop this to become a circle, for example. So this instance, you cannot do it. But if you have a standalone image on your Wix website that is not limited to a column, then that's the case where you'll be able to add this circle effect. So I'll show you exactly that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and add an empty section. And then I'm just going to go to elements here. And I just want to look for a simple image. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on upload image. And then I'm just going to use one of the images that I have already uploaded. Let's just use this one, the red image. It's this one right here. So just go ahead, and once you find the image that you want to add the effect to, and make sure that it is not connected to any column, like I said, or for example this like slides thingy. So it's just a standalone image. Anyway, so once you find this image, what you need to do is very simple. Just go ahead to the crop option on top of it once you actually click on it. And then from here, you can just go ahead and resize it, obviously. But then what we are actually going to be looking for is this button right here, which is the shape crop option. So just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you can obviously just see that you can turn it into a circle or any other shape that is in here. So if you want it to be like this, if you want it to be any other thing here, triangle, whatever it may be. But we want it to be a circle for this video, so we can just go ahead and click on the circle. And then we also get to adjust it, adjust it to our liking here. So we can even make it bigger or smaller. So it may not be a circle anymore, but we can just go ahead and adjust it to our liking. We can move it left to right and so on. And then once we're happy with it, we just go ahead and click on apply. And we can see now that we turned the red image here to a circle. And this is pretty much how to apply this circle effect on your images. And I'm just going to do it one more time. I believe we have in this test website this image right here. I'm just going to use it as an example again. And let's just try to highlight this planet here in the middle and crop the rest of them. So let's just go ahead and click on this image. Again, click on the crop option, and then you would want to go ahead and click on shape crop. From here, you would want to select the circle, and then we would want to just basically adjust it to our liking. So let me just go ahead and make it a little bit smaller and try to make it suitable for the planet, right? Just like that. And for the time being, this is good enough. So I'm just going to keep it as that. And this is pretty much how to apply the circle effect on your images with your Wix website. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.